Hi, I'm Dan with Sunrise Marine. Today we are on a 23 Blackout Edition from Bennington, and in a few minutes I'm going to tell you guys why pontoon boats are taking over the Gulf Coast. As you can see, a ton of space right up in the front here. You guys want to hang out for the day, you got your friends. Just a very comfortable boat, very plush interior, cup holders everywhere so you can have your cocktails and drinks along with you. One of the nice features, almost anywhere you sit on this boat, it's just really meant for comfort and cruising. The nice thing is this boat is a tri-toon, meaning that there's 3 pontoons under this boat, giving it phenomenal stability, especially in a day like today, where this is an average day here that we have in the Gulf Coast, and you definitely want some stability when you're running these. And once again, cup holders, stereo, you even got a table here. Now underneath all of these, we do have storage. Everyone that wants to come with you, they always want to bring a bag or towels, so they want to put it somewhere, and this boat's got a phenomenal amount of storage on here. Moving to the helm, probably one of the most comfortable chairs I've ever been on in any boat that I've ever ridden. Very comfortable. It reclines all the way back, so if you want to have a nap as you're sitting in this chair, you can bring it up as well if you've got shorter legs. Bring it back if you're a really tall guy. You could also turn the chair around and engage in conversation with all your friends. Very unique feature on the tri-toon on this model here. We do have an in-floor storage. Now this is very large, and in fact I'm just going to demonstrate how large this is. You could actually get in here and go all the way down. I'm still going. So this is a full length, and actually I'm not even touching either end of it, but great storage down here, or a great spot if you want to take a nap. Once you get on this model here, we do have plenty of seating for all your friends, so a great spot if you want to bring 12, 13 people with you. Everyone's going to have a comfortable seat, and once again, everyone's going to have a very smooth ride. In the back, let's say one of your friends get brave enough, they want to do some tubing. Well, this model also comes with a ski tow bar, which is phenomenal. Very secure, okay? You can pull a 250-pound guy with that tube right there, with that bar. Also a really nice ladder, some nice handles. One of the nice features about Bennington in general, they typically give you quite a bit of deck space getting on and off this boat. As you can see, we got a wide platform in the back here, so entering and exiting this boat at any spot up in the front or back is going to make it very easy and safe as well. Bennington's been around since 1997 and one of the best manufacturers in pontoon boats. The construction is very solid on these boats, using a 3-inch sub-channel that comes right through the center of this boat, and they're very, very solid, and we're going to show you just in a few minutes right out in the water how solid these really are in rough water. I'm Dan Bucella. Thanks for joining me today on the 23-foot Bennington. If you guys have any questions or would like to schedule a sea trial, please call me at the store at Sunrise Marine.